Hi, this is Microbot, the most affordable educational robot. You can use it to learn AI and ROS. In our today's tutorial, we are going to see how to control this robot using AI to pick something and move it from place to another. All of this using a neural network, end to end. Let's go. This robot based on Arduino, it has 6 degrees of freedom including the grip. The first joint is here. You can move it like this. This is the second joint. This is the third joint. This is the fourth joint. This is the fifth joint. This is the sixth joint, controlling the gripper. Also, all the servos are modified to read the joint angles, which is an important parameter for the neural network along with the camera image. Now we are going to see how to control the robot using keyboard. So at first, let's run lerobot.record. Okay. In order to move to the right, we are pressing page down like this. Left, we are pressing delete. If we press home, we are going forward. If we press end, we are going backward. Let's enter it back again. F1 to move up, F2 to move down. Okay. F4 to close the gripper. F3 to open the gripper. Okay. Let's try to pick this object. So at first we press F2 and then F4. F1 to raise the object and page down, delete to go to the left, and F3 to release the gripper. If we press the right arrow, we are going to reset the environment. After training, we are going to evaluate the neural network. Okay. Let's start.
Recording episode 0.
This is the most straightforward trial. We are putting the rows directly under the gripper. Okay, it succeeded.
Reset the environment.
We are going to reset. We are going to put it in another place like this. And we are going
Recording episode 1.
to perform another test. Okay.
Reset the environment.
So please change the position of the red box and put it under the window for testing.
Recording episode 2.
So,
Reset the environment.
let's put it in another position like this one.
Recording episode 3.
Very good.
Reset the environment.
This again.
Recording episode 5.
I'm going to move the red box to do something interesting. Huh. Figure out how to do it. Okay.
Reset the environment.
Okay. I want to take it a little bit.
Recording episode 6.
Okay.
Reset the environment.